put this gas valve on here, and it works. So we got one that I had in my truck. I'm gonna plug it up, see if 24 volts gets to it. And that bad boy light up down there. So we check and see. We got 24 to open this one up. I had this in my truck for a second, so hopefully this is a good one. That is good. It opens up. Then we install. And we shall be on the way. Yes, we will. Alright. That's the click right there that you heard. That is the click. After the pressure switch. Clicks. There we have lights. Now let's see if we hear this open up. Good. Let's check the 24 volts.